Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a candle inside of a glass. Let's go ahead and delete the default cube and change the render engine to cycles. And what we're going to do, let's go to, we can start with the circle. Let's go ahead and edit mode. F for fill. E for extrude, and you just want to extrude this at the sides. E for extrude again. And we'll extrude this at the sides just slightly. And all we're doing is just making a nice little bulb for a candle to sit in. And then we've got E for extrude. And then eventually we can start bringing this back in. Let's go scale on that one. We've got E for extrude again. S for scale. Let's go ahead and we'll delete this face just on top right here. We're going to go and select everything with A, E for extrude, and then scale outwards. And then we can go and make this right click, shade smooth. Let's go new. We will switch from principled BSDF to glass BSDF and take down the roughness. So we should have something like this. Let's add a plane so that you can see the glass underneath. And all we want to do is put a tea light candle inside of this. So let's go ahead and add a cylinder. We'll press G to bring this up. Shape it down into a tea light almost shape. This will be the center of the candle right here. And what I'm going to do, let's go add. We'll do another cylinder. Just press G. Scale this one outwards just ever so slightly and then scale this down. So this will be the edge of the candle. We're going to go ahead and just put this into silver. And then just give it a little metallic reflection. Just as such, maybe a little bit more roughness. And what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and add another cylinder. Elongate this one. Let's take this off this. Elongate this one. Scale down. This will be the wick. Let's press G. Bring this up. And we can right click shade smooth. And then add. And we'll make this one black. Okay, so once we've got our tea lights and stuff, we need a little flame. So I'm going to go with an icosphere. Icospheres are generally good for this. Let's press G. Just elongate the icosphere with S. Scale down. And then we're going to go ahead and just place it on top. Now, you can smooth this if you want to. You don't have to. But I like to tilt it so it looks like there's a flame kind of being blown on the inside. From here, we're going to go new. Change out principled BSDF. Change it to emission. And you want to go for a nice yellowy orange kind of emission. So when we take the tea light candle and its little flame and we go G and we place it inside, let's go ahead and just put this on side view. So we can place this inside right here. We can now put this onto render. Make sure that you're on the emission at this point. Get rid of any external lights. And this is what your tea kind of cup candle holder should look like. A little bit of emission. You can also take the roughness down of the glass. That generally gets a lot more light out. And yeah, I think we're done. So it's just like a little tea candle kind of thing, little set piece, I would say, little prop. Yeah, so have fun. You know, design what you will. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.